Good morning everyone. Last week we have done this problem set number 12 by using second method of subtraction. Today we will do the same problem set by using first method of subtraction, which is more easy and simple to apply. Okay, so let's start. Set number 12. Question number 1 is Prathamesh wants to buy a laptop worth 27,450 rupees. He has 22,975 rupees. What is the amount he still need to be able to buy the laptop? Okay, it means कि प्रथमेश को लैपटॉप खरीदना है. उस लैपटॉप का प्राइस है 27,450 रुपीज़, बट उसके पास सिर्फ 22,975 रुपीज़ है. ओके, तो हमें ये फाइंड करना है कि उसे लैपटॉप खरीदने के लिए और कितने रुपीज़ की ज़रूरत है. ओके, सो लेट्स बिगिन विद सॉल्यूशन नाउ. First we will write price of laptop, which is 27,450. Okay, and second information you can see here, that is he has 22,975 rupees. So Prathamesh has 22,975 rupees. Got it? So to find the answer, we have to subtract them. Now starting from right hand side, so 0 minus 5 is impossible, so we will borrow 1 from 10 place. So this 5 will become 4 and this 0 will become 10. Okay, now 10 minus 5 is 5, and here this 4 minus 7 again impossible, so we will borrow 1 from 100 place. So this 4 will become 3 and this 4 will become 14. Okay, now 14 minus 7 is 7, and again 3 minus 9 is impossible, right? So we will borrow 1 from this 7, so this 7 will become 6 and this 3 will become 13. Now 13 minus 9 is 4. Okay, and this 6 minus 2 will be 4 only. Now this 2 minus 2 will be 0. Okay, so answer is 4,475 rupees. Okay, now in word problem we all know we have to write our final answer in sentence. So we will write as Prathamesh required more rupees 4,475 to buy the laptop. Okay, got it everyone? Let's begin with question number 3 now. Question is, in a certain city the number of men is 16,37,856 and the number of women is 16,52,978. By how many does the number of women exceed the number of men? ओके, इट मीन्स एक सिटी में टोटल मैन थे 16,37,856 और वुमेन थे 16,52,978. You can see this number is bigger than this number. It means number of women is more than the number of men. So we have to find by how many number does the woman exceed the number of men. मतलब कितने क्वांटिटी से women ज़्यादा है men से. Okay, so to find this we have to minus number of women to number of men. So first we will write given information from the question. first I will write number of women. Number of women is 16 lakh 52,978. Okay, now I will write number of men. Number of men is 16,37,856. So starting from right hand side, 6, 5, 8, 7, 3, then 6 and then 1. Okay, to find the answer we have to subtract them, starting from right hand side from unit place. Now 8 minus 6 is 2, 7 minus 5 is again 2, 9 minus 8 is 1. Now in thousand place you can see 2 minus 7 is impossible, right? So we will borrow 1 from this 5. So this 5 will become 4 and this 2 will become 12, right? Now 12 minus 7 is 5 and this 4 minus 3 is 1. 6 minus 6, 0. 1 minus 1, again 0. So our answer is 15,122. So we will write our final answer in sentence now as the number of women exceed the number of men by 15,122. Got it, everyone? So question number 4. Question number 4 is an organization decided to collect 25 lakh rupees for a certain project. They collected rupees 26 lakh 57,340 through donations and other kinds of aid. By how much did they exceed the target? इट मीन्स एक कंपनी ने डिसाइड किया था कि उन्होंने एक प्रोजेक्ट के लिए टोटल 25 लाख रुपीज़ कलेक्ट करना है, बट फॉर्चुनेटली दे हैव कलेक्टेड 26,57,340 थ्रू डोनेशन एंड अदर काइंड ऑफ हेल्प. ओके, सो वी हैव टू फाइंड बाय हाउ मच डिड दे एग्जिट द टारगेट, मतलब उन्होंने अपने टारगेट के अकॉर्डिंग, अपने टारगेट के हिसाब से कितना ज़्यादा कलेक्ट किया है. ओके, so to find this we have to minus the amount they have collected to the amount they have decided. Okay, now so first I will write collected amount. They have collected 26 lakh 57,340. okay, and the second amount is 25 lakh, which they have decided to collect. Okay, now we will subtract them to find the answer, starting from unit place. So 0 minus 0 is 0 only, 4 minus 0 will be 4, 3 minus 0 will be 3, 7 minus 0 will be 7, 5 minus 0 will be 5, 6 minus 5 will be 1, and this 2 minus 2 will be 0. So our answer is 1,57,340 rupees. Okay, so we will write as, so here they exceed the target by rupees 1,57,340 rupees. Okay, understood everyone? Now this is last question, question number 5. Use the numbers 23,849 and 27,056 to make a subtraction problem. Solve the problem. मतलब ये दो नंबर को यूज करके हमें एक और क्वेश्चन बनाना है सब्ट्रैक्शन का और हमें उसे सॉल्व करना है. ओके, सो So by using this two number, I made this question, which is, in a certain shop, the price of a computer was rupees 23,849 and that of TV set is rupees 27,056 rupees. Price of TV set is how much more than that of a computer? मतलब कि एक शॉप में कंप्यूटर का प्राइस इतना था और टीवी सेट का प्राइस इतना है. तो हमें ये फाइंड करना है कि प्राइस ऑफ टीवी सेट इज हाउ मच मोर देन दैट ऑफ अ कंप्यूटर. मतलब टीवी सेट का प्राइस कितना ज़्यादा है कंप्यूटर के प्राइस से. ओके, सो to find the answer we have to minus the price of TV set to the price of computer. Okay, so price of TV set is 27,056, so 27,056. Okay, and price of computer is 23,849. Got it? We have to subtract that. So starting from right hand side from unit place. Now 6 minus 9 is impossible, so we will borrow 1 from 10 place. So this 5 will become 4 and this 6 will become 16. Okay, now 16 minus 9 is 7. So and this 4 minus 4 will be 0. Now 0 minus 8 is again impossible, so we will borrow 1 from this 7. So this 7 will become 6 and this 0 will become 10. Now 10 minus 8 is 2 and 6 minus 3 will be 3 only, and here 2 minus 2 will be 0. Okay, so our final answer is 3,207. So we will write our final answer in sentence as price of TV set is more than computer by rupees 3,207. Got it, everyone? You have to copy all the 5 questions in your notebook. Okay.